with your caps. Join Grace Chappell as we honor America with the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early night what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars